If you're ready to stop renting and start building equity in a place that's truly yours, welcome to Cherry Grove Townhomes. At Cherry Grove, we envision more than just homes. We created a community where first-time buyers can thrive. Imagine having your own garage, a spacious rec room, and modern finishes, all without the hidden costs of apartment living. Your home even comes with all your appliances, including a washer and dryer already installed. With open concept layouts, stylish finishes, and low-maintenance living, these townhomes are designed to fit your lifestyle and your budget. Buying your first home can feel like a big step, but you won't be doing it alone. Our friendly team of experts will guide you through every part of the journey, from your first visit to the moment you get your keys. We're here to make it simple, clear, and exciting. Located just 1 mile from the heart of downtown Kannapolis, you'll enjoy easy access to shops, dining, parks, and major highways like I-85, making your commute and your weekends a breeze. If you're ready to call Cherry Grove home, schedule a visit to come see us. We can't wait to meet you.